All right. So Timothy, you got a question on how do you put on a basic option trade, right? Good little question. We'll do a quick little lesson here. So say you want to go ahead and put on a trade in SPY. So go ahead, depending on your broker, you know, your platform is going to look a little bit different, but you got to type in SPY to bring up that symbol. Make your way over to your option chain. All right. Option chain should all look the same. Okay, you know, this is going to be your TastyWorks options chain. This would be Thinkorswim's option chain. So they all pretty much look the same. So if you thought SPY was going to go up, you got to pick your expiration. That's all personal preference. A lot of people, if they're day trading, will do anywhere from 0 to maybe a week out. Other people will go to a month out to give the time to work if you're maybe swing trading it. So for this example, I will do both, Chantel. I'll do it both in Tasty. I'll just kind of bounce back and forth. Okay. So for this example, we're just going to go ahead and go 7 days out on SPY. So you look for it. I want to be a week out just in case you have to maybe hold it. So you look for, 7 days out. This here on TastyWorks, it says 7D. And over here on Thinkorswim, pretty much it looks the same way. You just kind of look down here, look for the parentheses. There's your 7 days out. All right. So now you think SPY is going to go up. So you want to go ahead and buy a call because, stock goes up, you buy a call. Stock goes down, you buy a put. Basic option trade. All right. Some people will go at the money. Some people will go in the money. Again, personal preference. In my opinion, buying anything lower than at the money is pointless. You need a bigger run in order to make money off of it. So I will usually go about one strike in the money here. All right. So looking at it, say I think SPY is going to go up. And so I'm going to go ahead and look here. They're all pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and take the 300. So you just go ahead and click right there on the ask, and that'll bring up the buy symbol. It'll show you buy to open, and then it shows you the bid and the ask and the mid price. And usually you'll do a limit. SPY is liquid enough that you could do a market trade, but I really don't recommend market trades unless you're really trying to get out of something. So you go ahead, you set your limit price, then you just hit review and send, and off to the races it goes. All right. Same scenario here over on Thinkorswim. You have your expiration figured out. The stock is moving. You want to catch this. So you look here. Here's the 300 strike, right around that 50 delta. Just click right on the ask. It actually, if you can see it, my mouse actually says buy. So you go ahead and click that. It'll bring up your order entry area. You make sure everything's correct. Typically, you want to get on mid price just to get that best deal. So you click mid, and then you go ahead and hit confirm and send if you have that, unless you have a fast. And then boom, you're in the trade. That's it. So that is your basic entry for an option trade. So if you want the stock to go down, it ultimately is the same situation, except you're going to jump to the right side of this option chain, which is where the puts are at. So again, you want to do somewhere, I usually say right around at the money, in the money. So if I thought for some reason SPY was going to go down, I'd be looking probably, the 50 delta looks pretty good. Again, click on the ask, change it to mid price, and review and send, and off to the races you go. And that's it. You're in the trade. You do not have to hold this till expiration. There's been a lot of questions about that. You can get in the trade. You can turn back around and close it after you have a profit and get out. All right. But that's it. Quick, easy way to get in and out of a trade. Well, I didn't show you out. To get out of the trade, depending on your broker, you're just going to do the exact opposite. Okay. So really quick here, say you were in SPY again on this 7 day and you had these calls that are now up here, and hey, I want to get out. How do I get out? Sell to close instead of buy to open. So you would just, if you were in this trade, you would actually just click on the bid. Same thing if you were on toss, you can just click on the bid there. Okay. Select your mid price, go ahead, review and send, and you're done. You'll know that because it'll say sell to close and it'll be a credit. Okay. And now you're out of the trade. You made hopefully maybe 5 or 10% and you're good to go. All right. So that's how you do a basic options trade. Thank you guys.